30 days from now, you could either be someone you finally respect or someone you continue to lie to every morning in the mirror. And it all depends on what you do right now. No, not tomorrow, not Monday. Now, because the truth is, the version of you that's always tired, distracted, addicted to comfort, scrolling endlessly, dreaming but never doing, that version needs to die. And you've got 30 days to bury it. You've watched 100 self-help videos. You feel inspired for a day, then fall back into the same cycle. Because no one ever told you the truth. Motivation won't save you. Discipline will. This is your final warning. 30 days. No apps, no comfort, no audience. If you want change, you'll have to kill the old you. And it won't be pretty. This is war. If you're not ready to suffer a little, close this video. But if you are, welcome to day 0. Burn the distractions, delete the apps, not silence them, delete them. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, they reward you for doing nothing. That's over. Your brain is addicted. You're going cold turkey. Go to your kitchen, trash the sugar, the soda, the snacks. Don't save them for cheat day. You're not weak anymore. Write this on your wall. Comfort is a liar. Daily rules start now. 5 a.m., wake up, cold shower, 15-minute walk without your phone. No screens past 9, journal before bed. You'll hate it. Good. That's the old you dying. Now that you're empty, we build something unbreakable. Take that freezing cold shower. No countdowns. Just step in. Lift. No music. No mirror selfies. No ego. Just effort. Every night, write 3 lines. What did I avoid? What did I face? What will I destroy tomorrow? This isn't about becoming a productivity god. This is about reclaiming your mind. Your body will start changing, sure, but the real shift, your brain stops negotiating. You stop making excuses. You start moving like you mean it. Silence is your new power. No podcasts, no noise, no distractions, just you and the voices in your head. Say the truth you've been running from. Send that message. Apologize. Cut off that fake friend. Face what scares you, because this is where most people run, when truth becomes louder than comfort. But you stay. You let the silence cut the old you open. Let it bleed. You've made it too far to stop. Now go savage mode. 48 hours. No phone, no music, no screens. Just water, walks, and war with your own mind. Push 10% harder at the gym. Read books no one talks about. Write down your darkness. Don't hide it. Transform it. Every night say, the old me would have quit, but I killed him. On day 30, don't post. Don't brag. Just sit in stillness. Breathe and whisper, I'm not done yet. You don't need a perfect life. You need 30 days of pain, of discipline, of death. The death of comfort, lies, weakness. If you're still watching, you're not average. You're becoming something dangerous. Comment day 0 if you're ready to disappear and return unrecognizable.